Pie topper. Uncover the flavor of language. Hello, language enthusiasts and culinary curators. Today, we're slicing into an expression that might have you thinking of dessert. But there's more to it than meets the eye. We're exploring the phrase, pie topper. Whether you're a fan of baking or phrases that add flavor to your conversations, this video is for you. So, preheat your learning ovens, and let's get started. The term, pie topper, can be taken literally or used metaphorically. Literally, it refers to the top crust or decoration on a pie. It's what makes the pie complete and, often, more appealing. When you picture a pie without its topper, it's like a sentence without punctuation, somehow incomplete. In a metaphorical sense, a pie topper can mean the final touch or detail that makes something good even better. It's the cherry on top, the final flourish that turns the ordinary into the extraordinary. Imagine you've just aced a test, and you find out you've also won a prize for your high score. That prize is the pie topper to your success. How do you use it in a sentence? Let's look at some examples. Getting the Employee of the Month was great, but the bonus check was the real pie topper. The party was fun, but the live band was the pie topper that made it unforgettable. In different cultures, the idea of a pie topper might translate into a unique phrase that conveys a similar meaning. It's a universally relatable concept, the extra touch that takes something from good to great. So, it's a sweet phrase to have in your linguistic recipe book. We've reached the end of our delectable discussion on pie topper. Now you can sprinkle this phrase into your dialogues for that extra zest. Use it to describe situations, accomplishments, or even to compliment someone's efforts. Remember, learning a language is like baking. Every new word or phrase is an ingredient that makes your communication richer. Thanks for tuning in, and keep practicing. Here's hoping your language learning journey is filled with many pie toppers.